Okay, in this video I'm going to do a teardown inspection of this 8-horse Briggs. The problem I'm having with this is it's got very poor compression. Like, it's got very bad compression. Well, sort of. It's got two leaking exhaust, the exhaust valve's leaking, it burns oil, and it's just terrible. This engine was, I think, from the 70s or the 80s. I think it was from the early 80s, but I'm going to do an inspection of this. I'm probably going to change the rings, reseat the valves, and do a rebuild of it. But I'm going to start off, I'm going to just take the clutch off, just take a pipe wrench on this so you don't break any of the ears off of it. Let's get that off. We're going to have a washer that holds, I don't know what in. Okay. If you want to take the flywheel off, but you got a stud like this, you want to damage it, just take the little piece off of your starter clutch, stick it on there, get something to pour it on the flywheel with, just give it a light tap, like that. Flywheel will pull off just as easy. You got your key, don't lose that. Okay. Now I just gotta get my ratchet and we'll take off the head. I'm just gonna put this down here so you guys, I don't know if you can see it, can't see this or not. I'm gonna break all the head bolts loose. Oh, those are tight. Should use a breaker bar on this. Holy crap. I don't think this head's never been off. There we go. Well, yes it has. We had this off before. Just break all your bolts loose. Do it in a crisscross pattern so you don't, warp your head. I've done that enough times. Holy freak. Ugh. There, once you get all your head bolts, broke loose, you take them out. I would pause it, but I can't because I'm using an iPod and I don't think I can pause the video and just unpause it. No, thought I had them loose, I must have forgot that one. There we go. I guess I need that. Alright. It's maybe a little bit lengthy of a video, but I'm just going to do this as fast as I can. Don't know how well you can see. I'm just going to hold the camera while I take the bolts out. Kind of boring of a video, but I can't pause it. Just gotta bear with me here. I'm gonna pull the spark plug too, I guess. Alright. Let's see if it focus. Focus. Nah, it's not gonna focus. Spark plug's pretty corroded. Oh, it's tight. Curse you along head bolts. Okay, get ready to catch your head when you're on the last bolt. You want to let it drop it on the floor here. I'll put my hand against there so I can catch it if it drops. Alright, here is the inside of the engine. Let me kind of use the head gasket. It's reusable. The head's disgusting. We got water damage in there too, like little water pieces. Salvation or something like that. Okay, let's put the camera down here. Cylinder feels pretty good. There's a few light score marks, but I can't even feel them with my fingernail. So let's take out the sump now. Take off the bottom sump bolts. This has never been off before. That bolt's pretty loose. Gee, I don't know how tight this gotta be, but geez, I assume tighter than that. I didn't pre-loosen these either. Holy frig. Bolts must have backed off. Oh, that one was pretty tight. Yeah, some of these bolts must have backed out. There should be thread locker on these. Okay. I'm going to reseat the valves as well, because they're leaking like crazy, but the rings are the worst. Burning oil consumption is very bad. Bolt don't want to come into there. Okay, make sure you get all your bolts out. And what we do is take a hammer. Tap ever so lightly, because these ears can break off. I've seen that happen on a few engines. I think I broke the gasket. Oh, no, yeah. No, I didn't. See if I can get the gasket off without breaking it. I could probably reuse it. Nah, that broke. I knew that was going to happen. Oh well. This isn't even a gasket, this is silicone. Huh. Oh well. And here we have inside of our engine block. The oil slinger. They have metal weights on there. That's pretty cool. Metal gear. Huh. Pull out the cam. Camshaft don't look too bad. Lobes feel good. Which isn't 100% necessary to take this off, but I think I will anyway. Alright, now we are ready to pull out the piston and the crankshaft. First we're going to undo those little tabs. Alright. So you take your hammer, take a flathead screwdriver, and you just tap those out. This might take a while, because those can be a pain sometimes. Yeah, I'll pull the piston out in part 2.